What would happen if one day you woke up and the sun didn't rise? Imagine the unsettling darkness, the silence enveloping the world as dawn fails to break. This isn't just a lack of light. The sun is our anchor, providing warmth and guiding the rhythm of all life on Earth. Its absence would not only plunge us into cold and darkness but also send a ripple of confusion and fear across the globe. While it sounds like science fiction, exploring this scenario can reveal much about our solar system's delicate balance. First, let's understand why the sun going dark is virtually impossible. Picture the sun, not just as a bright light in the sky, but as a colossal, dynamic factory of energy. At its core, the sun is a massive ball of gases, primarily hydrogen, engaging in a relentless process of nuclear fusion. Every second, millions of tons of hydrogen are converted into helium, releasing vast amounts of energy. This energy is what lights up the sun and, by extension, our world. This nuclear fusion is not a process that just whimsically starts or stops. It's a self-sustaining reaction that has been ongoing for about 4.5 billion years and is expected to continue for about another 5 billion years. In the cosmic timeline, the sun is middle-aged. As we look out into the universe, stars do eventually exhaust their nuclear fuel. Depending on their size, they might puff up into red giants or collapse into white dwarfs. Some end their life cycle dramatically as supernovae, but these are end-of-life stages for stars, not sudden blackouts. So while our sun will eventually run out of fuel, this event is billions of years away from our time. Now dive into the immediate consequences if the sun went dark today. First, consider the lifeblood of Earth's ecosystems, photosynthesis. This process, where plants convert sunlight into energy, would halt without the sun. No sunlight, no photosynthesis. It sounds simple, but the implications are catastrophic. This cessation would lead to a rapid collapse of the food chain. From tiny microorganisms to large predators, the base of sustenance would vanish, initiating a domino effect of extinction. Simultaneously, Earth would experience a drastic drop in temperature. Imagine the warmth of a sunny day disappearing. That's just the beginning. Without the sun's heat, average global temperatures would plummet, transforming environments and pushing global climates into chaos. Moreover, Earth's surface would begin to cool rapidly. The stored heat in our atmosphere and oceans would dissipate into space, leaving behind a chilling silence. Within just a week, Earth would become a frozen wasteland, unsuitable for most current life forms. Could humanity survive in a world without the sun? Imagine our planet devoid of sunlight where the warmth we took for granted has vanished. In this cold, dark world, the key to human survival would likely be a profound adaptation to new living conditions. Humans might begin to cluster around geothermal vents on the ocean floor, harnessing the Earth's internal heat. Life could flourish again in these underwater havens, creating small pockets of warmth and energy. Alternatively, we might burrow into the Earth, constructing vast underground cities. These subterranean homes could utilize the stable thermal energy from the planet's core, providing a consistent, albeit limited, source of warmth. Above ground, survival would depend on our ability to master and expand existing technologies. Nuclear and geothermal energy would become invaluable, powering life support systems and artificial environments that mimic natural conditions. However, the psychological toll of living in perpetual darkness would be immense. Society would need to evolve culturally and psychologically to cope with the new norm. Our survival would hinge on rapidly adapting our technologies and lifestyles to a cold, dark existence. Let's recap the critical role the sun plays in our solar system. The sun, a massive sphere of burning plasma, is the very cornerstone of life as we know it. Its ceaseless nuclear furnace drives not just the day and night cycle, but fundamentally sustains every known life form on Earth. From the warmth it provides that stops our planet from turning into an icy wasteland, to the light it beams down, enabling plants to photosynthesize and produce the oxygen we breathe, the sun is indispensable. Beyond warmth and light, the sun's gravitational pull holds the Earth and other planets in a delicate balance, orbiting in a stable, predictable pattern. This gravitational anchorage also keeps our planet's tilt and rotation steady, which are crucial for the change of seasons and the diverse climates across the globe. Moreover, the sun plays a pivotal role in driving Earth's weather systems. Solar heat warms the oceans, stirs the atmosphere, and generates weather patterns. Without it, the global climate would not only cease to be dynamic, but would plunge into perpetual darkness and cold, rendering life as we know it impossible. The sun's influence extends even to the smallest components of the natural world, forming the base of the food web. Plants convert solar energy into a form usable by other organisms, which in turn supports a diverse array of life, from the smallest microbes to the largest whales. While the scenario of our sun going dark borders on the fantastical, it compels us to appreciate the cosmic ballet that sustains life on Earth.